If you've been searching for the best AI tools to enhance your digital portraits, you've probably come across AI Portrait, Remaker AI, one of the newest and most exciting AI software releases. In this video, we're going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool, especially if you're new to it and want to see if it lives up to the hype. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also reveal how you can try it out for free, yes, free, from the link below. You won't want to miss this. Now, let's dive straight into it. First off, AI Portrait, Remaker. AI is incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who enjoys playing around with your images, this software allows you to turn ordinary photos into stunning, realistic portraits. Its AI engine takes your image and automatically analyzes it to generate highly detailed and stylistically enhanced results. What sets Remaker AI apart from other AI portrait tools is its customization options. It's not just about transforming your image into something stylized. You can tweak the output to align with your preferences. You get options like adjusting lighting, shadows, and even facial features, which means you can be as creative as you want while using it. The second thing you should know is the time-saving aspect. Unlike other photo editing software that might take hours to perfect a portrait, Remaker AI does it in just a few minutes. This makes it ideal for those who need quick results without sacrificing quality. Whether you're working on multiple portraits for a client or just want a personal project done quickly, this tool delivers. Another standout feature of AI Portrait, Remaker. AI is its ability to enhance facial expressions. If you have a photo where the subject's expression isn't quite right, this software can subtly alter it to make the person appear more natural or even add more personality to their face. It's an ideal tool for photographers who want to add an extra layer of professionalism to their work. If you're concerned about the learning curve, there's no need to worry. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. When you first open the tool, you'll see a simple dashboard with drag-and-drop functionality for uploading your images. After that, the AI takes over, and you can adjust the final result in a few clicks. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced users alike. Another key thing to note is how AI Portrait, Remaker AI, works with various file types. Whether you're working with high-res images or something with lower resolution, the software optimizes its results based on the input you provide. It doesn't matter if it's a small social media profile photo or a large portrait for a website. Remaker AI handles them all with ease. Now, what about pricing? One of the most compelling things about Remaker AI is the pricing structure. They offer a free trial so you can test it out yourself and see if it's the right fit for you before making any commitments. If you decide to upgrade, the subscription plans are quite affordable, making this AI software accessible for both personal and business use. Lastly, AI Portrait. Remaker AI's customer support is exceptional. They offer tutorials, helpful guides, and a responsive support team that's available to help you with any issues you might encounter. This is something that's often overlooked, but it can make all the difference when you're using new software and need assistance. Now, I've shared a lot of valuable information, but remember you can try AI Portrait, Remaker AI, completely free from the first link below, so why not give it a shot? After trying thousands of AI tools, I've found that this one stands out as a must-have for anyone serious about improving their digital portraits. Before you go, be sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description. I've tested them all, and these are the best ones I've found so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.